Imagine this: you push a pull request, and instead of waiting for your teammate to review, an AI agent can review your changes and push a command directly into your PR. In this video, I'll show you how to build real AI agent integrated into software development lifecycle that can find bug in your code, post a command into your PR, and I will be using GitHub Webhook, LLM, and Python code. And yes, we will build it from scratch and we will run it live. So let's get into it. Code reviews are one of the most important parts of SDLC, but they also create bottlenecks. Developer wait for reviews and reviewer get overloaded. And simple issues like null check, logging, performance improvement often slip through. What if AI agent could do first pass automatically? This AI agent will detect code changes in pull request, analyze the code differences, send it to the AI model, and post a structured review comment directly into your GitHub PR. So the developer get instant feedback before human look into this. Let me explain the architecture of this AI agent. As the developer opened the PR, we registered the GitHub Webhook triggers, which basically call our API in the Python agent that will be called. And this Python agent fetch the difference, what the difference in the each file of your PR, and then fetch the difference and send to the LLM. And then LLM will generate the review based on the differences. And once that is done, it will again send to the Python code, and Python code will actually generate the PR comment and post it to the GitHub. So this is the overall diagram of the AI agent that we're gonna build. So let's get into the code now. So finally, this is our Python code. I'll show you the dependencies. It's pretty straightforward code. We have this FastAPI, ngrok, OpenAI, and Twatted and request and Uficon. So these are the dependencies you need to install. And pretty much this file has everything. So in the process PR method, we are fetching the files differences from your PR, and then we are sending this difference to our agent, and it will send over the review defects. And once that defects or review comments are there passed, then we are posting the this comment to our GitHub. So these are the pretty straightforward as I showed in our diagram, architecture diagram. These are the steps, and the webhook code is pretty straightforward. We are registering the webhook here. This is the basically the method or service we're gonna link it to the GitHub interface. We will link to the GitHub webhook, and you can see this is after we this is basically the trigger happened once you developer push the PR, and we are reading the PR and fetching this information and then sending to our PR process review. And in our agent, you can see it's a pretty simple agent, and I have this prompt that you are a software engineer reviewing the pull request, blah blah blah, you can see, and we have using OpenAI to read this, execute this, and this is the agent call, and we are just returning the whatever agent respond. And in the GitHub service, these are the method to these are the GitHub file to get the files, sending the authorization token using the GitHub token, and then this is the code to post the commands. These are the standard GitHub APIs you can use. So yeah, that's it for the code, and I will now let's try to run this code and see it live. Okay, in order to run this code, we will add this command uficon app and reload port 8000. Okay, now our application is started. Now I will because we need this URL, it's running on the local port, but we need a public URL to actually set up into the GitHub. So we need to create a tunnel, and I'm going to use ngrok for that, and that will be tunnel to a public URL. So I use ngrok HTTP 8000 port, and you can see it's created the public URL for us. Okay, so this will be our public URL pointing to the same 8000 port. So you copy this URL. Now let's set up into the GitHub. So inside I have this repository already, and if you go to the setting, and then you go to the webhook, and I already set up earlier to this webhook, but you can add new in your case, or I already have this, so I will edit it. I just need to change the URL, and I'll show you so this is the webhook we created, our post request in our Python code I showed you earlier, and this is my new URL. Okay, so this is the payload URL, and you need to select this JSON because we expecting JSON response, and enable SSL. And for this event, we don't want everything to be posted our webhook. We just need pull request. So you can see I have selected a specific event for this pull request. So once everything is done, you can just update your webhook. Now everything is set up and your code is ready to test. And so I will create a sample pull request, and then we'll show you the command posted by AI. Okay, now let's see everything in action. So I will add a new file here. So I name it test3.py. So I will add this simple code for the demo. And so yeah, let's commit our changes, and our web AI agent will review this code. And I will create a separate branch for this. So once you do that, it will push the changes and it will create the PR. And now let's see the execution. You can see we received the changes, and we found the differences. AI review generated, post a comment, return 201, and a comment has been posted. So this is our code executed. Okay, now let's see the comment there. And here we have the review defect comment generated by the AI. So this is the full detail about the defects found, and it's also suggested the changes that can be made to make this code better. So yeah, that's it. Hope you like this video and subscribe for more such content. Thank you very much for watching.